Today I will be teaching you how to make simple, mini vegetarian chocolate chip cookies. For this recipe you will need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2/3 cups of melted butter, half cup of chocolate chips, a teaspoon of baking soda, half a cup of sugar, and 5 tablespoons of applesauce. Now first we will be mixing the wet ingredients, which are the butter and the applesauce, and then we'll be mixing the dry ingredients, which is the all-purpose flour, sugar, and the baking soda. So let's begin with the wet ingredients. I'm just gonna put the applesauce into the butter as the butter bowl is bigger. And you're gonna want to mix this with a whisk. You're gonna mix it until you think it's the right consistency and you cannot see the applesauce anymore. So as you can see, I cannot see the applesauce anymore as it is thoroughly mixed within the mixture. That means we're going to now move on to the next portion, which is the dry ingredients. And for the dry ingredients, I said we were going to mix the all-purpose flour, the sugar, and the baking soda. So let's start with the sugar. We're just gonna put all of it in there. And we're gonna mix it with our spatula. You're just gonna mix it nicely until it's all looking like one consistent texture. And we're also going to add the baking soda now. As you can see, you can't really see the sugar and the baking soda anymore. That means it is mixed thoroughly, and now we're gonna mix our wet ingredients with our dry ingredients. So it should just pour out. It's going to be hard to mix, but since it is cookie dough, you want it as a hard consistency. Now we will be mixing the chocolate chips into our dough. I like to mix them in slowly so I know all of them are being well spread out. Now we will be chilling the cookie dough in a refrigerator. So I'm just going to put cling wrap on top. And we're gonna put this in the refrigerator for 1 hour. So I've just chilled the cookie dough for 1 hour. As you can see, there is some ice frost on the cling wrap. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a small portion of these and roll them up into balls. And I'm going to put them about 2 to 4 centimeters away from each other. I'm also going to push on them slightly so I can get them to have a nice round shape. So I've just rolled all the dough into balls, and I have also preheated the oven to 350 degrees. The cookies are going to be in there for roughly 10 to 15 minutes. My oven is at 350 degrees, and I'm just going to put it inside. We are now going to take out the cookies, and we're going to leave them out for 5 minutes. You will know your cookies are ready when you see that they are a golden brown color. Another way to check that they are ready is using a toothpick. If nothing comes out, then it's perfectly fine. So I'm just going to take this cookie here, as well as this cookie, and this cookie as well. And I always eat my cookies with a glass of milk, as it tastes the best that way. Thank you all for watching our video. Please like and subscribe to our channel, Delectable Flavors.